In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Canva. If you're working on a presentation, flyer, social graphic, or document in Canva, knowing how to quickly add text can save you a lot of time and make designing much easier. The good news is that Canva keeps this process simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the easiest ways to place a text box on your design, edit it, adjust its size, and then download your finished work. First, open Canva and go to the project where you want to add text. From your homepage, find the design you want to work on and open it so it appears in the main editor. Once your project is open, click into the canvas area so Canva knows that's where you want to work. This helps make sure your keyboard commands and editing actions apply directly to the design. One of the fastest ways to insert a text box is by using a keyboard shortcut. With your cursor active on the canvas, press the T key once. Canva will instantly place a default text box in the center of your design. This is a great shortcut to remember because it avoids extra clicking and lets you work faster, especially if you add text often. If you'd rather use the menu, you can also add text from Canva's sidebar. On the left-hand side of the screen, click Text. This opens the text panel where you'll see options like add a heading, add a subheading, and add a little bit of body text. Click whichever option best matches the type of text you need, and Canva will place it onto your design. This method is especially helpful if you want a specific text style or hierarchy right from the start. Once the text box appears, it will be highlighted so you can start editing immediately. Click inside the box, select the placeholder text, and type your own words. If you need to resize it, drag one of the corner handles to make the text box larger or smaller. This gives you more control over how the text fits into your layout and helps keep everything looking balanced. Before you finish, move the text box around your design and watch for Canva's alignment guides. These lines help you center the text or line it up neatly with other elements on the page. Taking a moment to check spacing and alignment can make your design look much more polished. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if you need a high-quality file for printing. Then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. You now know how to insert a text box in Canva quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next